Yes. What's going on, guys? Day Trading Addict here, and I'm going to show you guys my trades for this week. Trading forex. I actually was trading for it for 3 days, and I'm going to show you guys my win rate. All winners, no losers, and I'm going to show you why I'm trading forex, and I'm going to show you the setups that I use throughout the week. So let's get it. Come on. Okay, so right now we are at the screen. Let's go over the trades. I'm gonna show you guys the trades, and I'm gonna show you guys what I was trading. Okay. Also, if you can't watch this full video, hit that subscribe button, especially if you're into day trading and you want to see more videos like this. Hit that subscribe button so you can actually see my other videos, because I'm basically planning to upload more videos. So let's go to this trade right here. And before we even get to the trade, let's go over the reason why I decided to trade forex this week. Now, if you've been following me, you know that I trade the futures market, the Nasdaq 100. That's really my main market that I trade. But the reason why I decided to look at the forex, because if you have been following, okay, the market, it's just been really, I wouldn't say weird, but just kind of slow and choppy. Okay. And when I day trade, I need some volatility. I used to actually trade the crude oil, okay, the futures on the futures platform. And when that was getting choppy, I switched to the Nasdaq. So you have to understand, when it comes to day trading, you don't really have to stick to one market, especially when it slows down. You can venture off to see what else is actually moving. Okay, so one day I decided to look at the forex market, and I was looking at it, and I was like, wow, okay, I can actually look at different pairs and trade these different pairs. Because honestly, I used to trade forex, but that was like years ago, like a long time ago. But I'm back, and I'm trying to figure out, will I stay? Is this like something that I want to do? So we're gonna go over that later on this week. But right now, I'm gonna show you guys some trades, and I'm gonna show you guys, when I went in the trade. So right now we have the Swiss franc, okay, and I'm waking up around like 6:30, okay, 6 o'clock, 6:30. I'm looking for some trades. So right here we have the market, okay, was going down. If you notice how it was going down, and it wasn't a strong trend. And then next thing we broke structure right here, okay, and basically we made higher highs, right? So we broke structure, we pulled back. I wasn't awake around this time. If I was, I would probably look for some type of long, okay? But what I saw right here was the market was continuing to go up. I took this breakout right here, okay? This nice little breakout right here, a little flag breakout right here for a quick one-to-one. Now, I'm letting you guys know this right here was a demo trade, okay? A paper trade. I'm going to show you guys my demo trades first, and then I'm going to show you guys my live trades last, okay? So this right here, demo. The reason why I go demo, because you have to understand, guys, most of you guys want to rush when it comes to the trading, and even though I've been trading for 13 years, this is like completely new, and I have to get used to it again. Okay, so it's a new platform. Okay, new markets. I've been trading the Nasdaq and the futures markets for years, so I just switch over. So I'm not gonna go with live money first, and then when I went with live money, I went with a small amount. I didn't go heavy, because I still have to get used to the platform and the markets. Okay, even though all markets pretty much the same, but I still got to get used to dealing with multiple markets, because I'm not trading one market or one pair at a time. Sometimes I'm in and out, one or two pairs. Okay, so I'm quite sure you guys used to seeing videos of me trading, and making $1,000 in one day, or making $900 in one day, or $400 in one day. No, not this week, not with this forex, because I have to ease my way in this and make sure that this is something that I want to do and make sure that I get used to the platform. So this was my demo trade right here. Okay. So basically I went, let me show you real quick. Let me see. Where's that? Hold on. Just give me a second, guys. So I went long right here. Okay. And then, basically for a quick 1-to-1, got my target right here and I was out. Okay. So that was that trade. Let's go to the next trade. Okay. Which is British pound. Okay. And let's keep going. Keep going. Okay. Now I actually traded this live. I'm gonna show you guys later on. Traded this live this week, but a couple of ones I took this. Actually, it was this trade right here on the demo. Okay, so we went. Let me see here. We went long right here. I'm gonna explain why, guys. Okay, long right here, and I'm gonna explain why. Okay, very easy, guys. We had a nice little trend line. The market was holding up. We pulled back to this support area right here. Okay, it tried to go, look at it, trying to test these the bottom twice. So we have a nice little double bottom right here, and I went long as soon as the market was going up for a quick 1-to-1. Okay, and then I took another trade. Okay, right here, we broke out of here. We had highs right here. We had resistance. We broke out of here. Okay, I took another trade right here. Took that pullback. A long position right here. Okay, another quick winner for the day. A nice little another 1-to-1. Okay, and this was just simply, we had resistance right here, resistance right here. It broke resistance. We pulled back. I took that. I took it when I saw the market. Let me zoom in a little bit. I saw the market going up. Okay, try to test the bottom again, and then it went up again. I got in for that quick 1-to-1. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys another trade. Now I am trading the 5-minute chart for you guys that want to know, what time frame. This is the 5-minute chart, guys. All right, 5-minute chart. So let's go to the next trade. Let me see, UJ. Okay, and this was a simple flag breakout. Okay, and once again, I'm trying to get used to the play, because remember, I'm playing only the NASDAQ 100 for a long time. So now I'm coming into a market where I'm playing like multiple pairs at once. So I'm not going, I understand the market. I understand being patient. Being patient, guys, is one of the biggest keys out here when it comes to successful trading. So you have to be patient. I wanted to take this live, but I'll say, you know what? Let me just demo this real quick. So we took this. We had a nice little flag breakout right here. We had news right here. Okay, and I believe this was the only pair that was holding, because usually if news comes out, right, and price is actually holding, okay, usually you're going to see a continuation. And that's what we got here. Okay, so we had a nice little breakout right here, pause, and then a little flag pattern right here. I took that for a quick 1-to-1 on this one. Okay, and got that out of the UJ. Okay, let's go to US CAD. That's my next one for the week. And these are all winners, guys, all winners. And you have to understand, even though I have a 100% win rate, that's not going to happen every single week. Okay, just that's let you guys know. That's number one. Number two, okay, I only traded for, let me see, it was 3 days. So, only 3 days. So you got to keep that in mind too. But so far so good. Let me do this, draw this trend line. That's what I saw right here. The market spiked into this trend line and basically couldn't go up higher. Okay, we had a double test right here, got in right here, short. And this is demo trades right here. I'm gonna show you guys the live trades. Just be patient. Show you guys the live trade. Actually, let me, hold on, just give me guys a second. I'm supposed to go, hold on. Short right here. So short right here. And this one was all the way down here, okay? I was targeting the lows. This one was a little bit more than 1-to-1. This one's like around 3-to-1. So 3 times your money, okay? And that was it for the demo side, okay? So let's go to my live account, and then I'm gonna show you guys the live trade. So let's go right now, all right? Okay, so basically you see that this is a real account. You see up top right here, real account. And I'm going to show you guys my trades for this week when it comes to the Forex market, okay? So June 1st, we have this Euro trade right here. Pretty much we broke structure right here, okay? Broke structure right here. I was just looking for this pullback real quick. It was right next to the EMA, even though I don't care about the moving average that much. But you know, it was nicely, it was holding up nice right here. So we had a little double test, okay? Double test at that EMA. I took a long right here, a quick 1-to-1. Boom, I was out. Okay, let me zoom in a little bit so you guys can see the print. You see the print right here when I got in, and this is what I got out right here, okay? So that's my live trade right here. What else? Let me see. The next day was the 2nd. I didn't trade that. Actually, I traded NASDAQ. Actually, you can actually trade the NASDAQ on the NAS 100 on this. And, you know, I decided to take this quick trade on here. And this is June 2nd. So let me explain this trade. We had a nice trend line right here. We pulled to the trend line. At first, I didn't want to take it, because if you understand the NASDAQ 100, right, when the market opens, this is where the market opened right here, okay? They play a lot of games. So even though we hit a nice trend line, I wasn't trying to get in right away. But notice how we popped, okay? And as soon as we popped, we lost steam and we popped right back down. So I took this nice trend line break, sold it right here. You see it right here. Let me zoom in. So see where I got in. I got in right here. And I dragged it all the way down to the lows pretty much, okay? So that was that trade right there. Let me see. Now let's go to the 4th. And let me show you my next trade on the 4th. Okay, so this trade was basically a breakout, okay? Oops, hold on. Pretty much a breakout. The market was doing nothing for a long time, and it decided to break out, pulled back. Now the entry, the way I entered this market was a little bit advanced. At first, I put a starter position right here. When we was going up more, I put another position right here. And when we was going up more, I added some more, okay? Now, I don't do this on every single trade, to let you guys know. But, you know, once in the blue, I decide if I really believe in the trade, I'm going to, you know, add on more size when the market pulls back, okay? It's just a little bit more, you know, a little bit advanced technique, but this is, I usually do this only when I feel like this is a high probability trade. And this one looks, you know, when I was trading, I was like, okay, this just looks like an A+ trade. So anyway, I was adding, okay? So you got 1, 2, and 3, okay? And then we went all the way back to the lows. So this was a nice trade, okay? Let's go to the 4th. So we had that trade, and then we had another trade on the British pound. Let me show you here on the 4th. So let me just zoom in real quick. Okay, so this was, let me show you why I took this trade. I'm quite sure you could say this is aggressive, but it wasn't. I'm gonna show you why, because if you look at this trend line, we broke this trend line, okay? So this was a nice little trend line break, okay? We pulled back, and then we had a nice support around this EMA, okay? And as soon as the market was going up, I just bought the market right here, looking for that continuation. We had a nice, we had news, and we had a pop. So as soon as we pop right here, I was like, you know what? Let me just get out since the news is here, and I just got out for a quick scalp on this trade. Okay, so that was the British pound. But pretty much the reason why I took this trade again, nice little trend line break. Okay, and it's a pullback, and then as soon as I saw the market, going back up, I took my trade, and then for a quick winner. Okay, let's go to the 5th, which was yesterday, which was Friday. Okay, now this right here, I'm playing. Okay, we have support right here. Okay, and if you notice how the market was playing around right here. Okay, look at these double bottoms, guys. Bottom right here, a bottom right here, a bottom right here, a bottom right here. So we have this nice support area right here. Okay, right? The market popped out and tried to go lower again found support. Okay, I'm like, whew, my mouth was, water was coming out my mouth. I was like, oh man, I was rubbing my hands, and I was like, I gotta take this trade. So we was moving up. I took this trade right here for a quick winner, and I got out. Okay, so that was the British pound. You see where I enter, and this is where I got out at. Okay, let me see what else. Okay, and I took one more yesterday, and it was this one. This was perfect. Okay, nice little triangle break. Okay, can't get no better than that. The market is weak. Okay, look at the market, guys, consolidating for a long time. Okay, this was straight to the point, guys. And sometimes, guys, you don't have to make. This is why, so far I'm liking Forex. I'm still not sure if I want to, like continue to trade it full time. But right now, I am liking it because I do have choices. Okay, so what do I mean by that? Well, if I see a market that looks kind of sloppy and I don't want to trade it, guess what? On to the next one. Okay, I'll look at my next pair. If that pair doesn't look good, guess what? On to the next one. All right. Just trading, like I was just only trading the Nasdaq. I didn't have that opportunity. I didn't have that, that opportunity to just say next. No, I was trading, no matter what. So far so good. We'll see. But overall, guys, it was just, we had this consolidation. We broke down. So I'm looking for more continuation. We had this nice consolidation break right here. Nice triangle. Sweet, guys. This is textbook right here. Let me zoom in a little bit. Okay, so you guys can see where I enter. We broke this. Okay. At first, when I saw this right here, right, I wasn't too sure. Okay, I wasn't too sure at first. So I waited. If I'm not too sure, guys, if I'm not too sure about a trade, I'm not gonna get in. It doesn't make any sense. Don't rush any trade, especially when it comes to day trading, guys. If you want to make money consistently, if you're not sure, guess what? Skip it. There's other pairs you can trade. So anyway, I wasn't too sure at first. So notice how we broke out of here. We came back. Notice how we came back, guys. Now, if this was a fake out right here, we should have just blew right past it, make a new high, right? And continue to go up like this, okay? Something like this, okay? We didn't do that, guys. We did a fake breakout and we tried to go up, right? This was the fake out right here, and then it went down. I was like, what? Let's go. Let's go. So I took this short right here for a quick winner. So that was it, guys. 100% winners. I'm not saying that this is going to be every single week. And just to remind you guys, I've been trading for 13 years, so I don't want you guys to see this and say, oh my gosh, oh, for real, you can do this? No, listen, guys, this is only 3 days, okay? But so far, the way I'm looking at the market, I'm only taking trades that I like, that is very clear, and that's it. 5-minute chart, day trading. So if you guys want to see more videos like this, guys, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, because I will continue to show you guys my trades, show you guys why I entered the market, show you guys my setups, and go from there. You guys could ask questions. Go in the comment box right now. Ask questions, and I will answer your questions either via video or I will go in the comment section and answer your questions. But overall, guys, that was my week. It was straight to the point. If I didn't like anything, I would skip the trade or I would go to the next pair. And if I see something that was very obvious to me, then I'll take the trade. Okay. So we'll see next week. We'll see if the market is generous and basically clear. And then we go from there. But that is it, guys. This is the reason why I'm trading the not the Nasdaq, the Forex market is because the Nasdaq for a long time has just been choppy. Where's the Nasdaq? Let me show you real quick. Well, Friday was choppy, but look at this, guys. This is June the 3rd. Choppy, guys. I mean, it's just I mean, it's just like, okay, here we go. This is the 4th. Okay, this is when the market opened right here. We only had one spike and one spike down, and then the rest of the day chopping. I mean, this is horrible, guys. Like, how can you trade something like this? Unless you caught the top right here, you had a good day. But other than that, it's just been choppy. Okay. So overall, I mean, it was a nice trade right here. You probably could have caught a trade right here. Okay. Or maybe a scalp off this support area. But other than that, I mean, it's just overall just been choppy for day traders. Now, if you're swing trading, yeah, I'm quite sure you're loving it. But, day trading, I need moves to be much clearer. So me personally, I don't mind looking at other markets. I'm not going to be stuck or, I'm not going to just look at one market and that's it. So anyway, guys, that's my whole video for today. I hope you guys learned something. If you want to see more videos like this and how I'm able to do this, trade like this every day, from home, hit that subscribe button. Talk to you guys later. And please, guys, actually, before I leave, guys, hit that like button. Stop playing. Stop playing, guys. Day Trading Addict here. Talk to you guys later. And please have a great day. Hit that like button. And please have a great day. Hit that like. Have a great day, guys. All right.